Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing okay. सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, सब टाइम से सो रहे हैं, अच्छा खा पी रहे हैं, and I wish you the best for your next success. आज का जो main topic होगा, it's going to be about how expectations, betrayal, and then being selfish goes hand in hand. Let's understand about the expectations. इस वीडियो में जिस expectation की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, it's going to be something serious. It's not about regular expectation from a coworker to another coworker, coworker to a boss, boss to a manager, not stuff like that. I'm talking about a serious expectations जो आप daily life में अपने parents से लगाते हो, अपने किसी बहुत खास दोस्त से लगाते हो, girlfriend, boyfriend, either way. The person you rely on the most, the person that you trust the most. I'm going to put this as a scenario. So, what happens is, let's say you and your best friend had this thing. You guys were knowing each other from years and years, and वो आपका सारा काम करते गए, and then they never had to say anything when you had anything for them. जैसे कोई commitment हो गई, anything that they have to do for you, they always did it. But this time they didn't do it. This time they said no. And this time they said, sorry, I cannot do it. That time, what's your reaction is, it also depends how you react on those things. Let's say if you had this promise from someone, you had this promise from someone, any strong promise. They did not do it. You had expectations and they said no, they walked out and it hurted you. Now, as a human, you have to understand these things, that if they said no, there are reasons. Now, you yourself have to figure this out according to your relationship. Why did they said no? Are you okay if they said no? And are you not okay if they said no? Now, if they said no, the reasons could be they really couldn't do the thing for you. They really had a strong reason for not doing it for you. They were not comfortable. They did not knew how to say no. Maybe in the heat of the moment they said yes, but jab karne ki bari aayi, they said no. Or the other way around, the person was never faithful to you. The person just was looking for that one chance, कि एक chance मिल जाए, and I'm just ruining this person. Or maybe they were just never true to you. They were just waiting for that one moment. Now you go into betrayal phase. जो betrayal phase आता है, the betrayal phase is the phase when you and yourself is just there. There's nobody else. You don't want to hear opinions. You don't want to hear किसी का ये ड्रामा वो ड्रामा, उसने ऐसा नहीं किया, तुमने इस बात का सुना उस बात. You don't want to hear anything. You are just there by yourself, processing कि यार मैंने तो इतना ट्रस्ट किया था इस बंदे के ऊपर, or anything. I was wishing that this person is gonna fulfill my promise. It could really have saved my life, and they did not do it. You lose the trust, you lose the responses, you lose everything. You're all over the place, and you feel like there's nobody for you. you know at दो वो जो betrayal point होता है ना, वो इतना गंदा होता है कि even if somebody is trying to guide you right way, you think they are the one as well. वो भी उसके जैसा ही है. They're not helping us in any positive way. And once the betrayal phase is over, you go to the selfishness. Now here, I'm gonna put it into two ways. एक तो selfishness ये हो जाती है कि जो आपने अपने experience से सीखा, now you're not gonna imply it on just yourself. You are also gonna imply it on others. You stop trusting people. You stop asking people for help. You stop asking for favors. You are completely by yourself. आप independent बन जाते हो, and you don't want to get back to the same stage of the life where you had the expectations, उसने पूरा नहीं किया, and then you're crying again, you're hurt again, blah blah blah. It just goes on. Now it's in your hands what you want to do to protect your energy. मैं personally, जब मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था, I just told myself that expectations always hurt. I told this thing, expectations always hurt. It's not about I never had expectations from someone, but it depend करता है कि आपने उस बंदे के साथ कैसा relationship बनाया है. Depend करता है how much trust they have. डिपेंड करता है कि आपने उनके लिए या उन्होंने आपके लिए क्या क्या एफर्ट्स किए हैं, so that you are in that expectation boundary. But other than that, no, I'm not having expectation from anyone. I'm not expecting my friend to pick me up after work. I'm not having expectation from my friend, अगर मुझे कुछ चीज ठीक करवानी है तो वो मुझे स्पेशली लेने आएगी, लेने आएगा, and then we go out together. You have to give yourself that space जिसमें आप comfortable होके you understand your responsibilities, you understand your things and you do it by yourself. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि if somebody is offering you help, you don't know how to take it. You can say no, of course you can say no, but be respectful. Tell them, hey, I've been doing this by myself. I would be really happy if you just leave me alone at this point. I'll complete this by myself. If I need your help, I'll let you know. A second जो होती है ना selfishness इस सिनेरियो में, सेकेंड सेल्फिशनेस कम्स इन अ वे कि वो आपको इतना हर्टफुल इंसान बना देती है कि यू पास ऑन दैट सेम बिहेवियर टू अदर पीपल. आपके साथ इतना गंदा बिट्रेल हो रखा होता है कि यू आर नॉट रेडी टू बी हैप्पी विद पीपल, यू आर नॉट रेडी टू बी ओपन अप विद पीपल. यू आर लाइक, हाँ ये ऐसा है, बाकी सारी दुनिया ऐसी है. If this man is like that, the other men are like that too. If that girl is like that, सारी लड़कियां ही ऐसी होती हैं. This is not the truth. Unfortunately, we feel like अगर कुछ एक experience ऐसा हो जाता ना, we feel like कि सारी दुनिया ही ऐसी है. It's not the truth. You really have to open your thoughts. You really have to start observing people. You really have to put your boundaries. You know, boundaries बहुत बड़ा रोल आ जाता है इस चीज के अंदर. When you put yourself to that boundary, you tell that person, hey, this is my boundary. Don't cross this. If I need your help, I'll let you know. तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस, बिट्रेयल, सेल्फिशनेस, इस चीज से बचने के लिए द ओनली एंड ओनली परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन इज टू ऑब्जर्व योरसेल्फ, ऑब्जर्व योर नीड्स, ऑब्जर्व योर वांट्स, ऑब्जर्व कि आपको किस बंदे से, किस बंदी से कितना कितना कितने लिमिट में रहना है, कितना कैसा चाहिए, सो दैट these experiences you don't go through again. And I'm coming from an experience. I know these things hurt a lot. At this point, I'm grown enough. I don't care. But when you're 17, 18, 19, 20, अगर ये चीजें होती है ना जब, it shifts your whole mindset. It shifts everything for you. You stop trusting in people. You stop socializing with people. You stop giving yourself that validation कि चलो कोई नहीं, हो गया. Maybe this person is better. Yes, they could be better. Instead of thinking this whole scenario in a negative form, think of this thing. मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मैंने इस चीज से ये सीखा. Now what to do next? Always what to do next. But when you hang on to those thoughts, trust me, you're not going anywhere. And it's really something that you do have to focus on yourself, and you help your friends to focus on these things. You know, agar wo cheez ho gayi hai, it's gone. Forgive that person. Don't forget about it. Don't forget about it. We are not doing that. But forgive. Forgive and let it go. You just wish them the best. जो उन्होंने आपके साथ किया, it's all gone. What you can do about it now? Can you bring that back? No. आज का जो कल का दिन था, I cannot bring it back. I cannot. It's simple as that. कुछ words होते हैं जिंदगी में, when you tell your brain that these words does not exist, they don't exist. For me, I have told myself that panic attack does not exist. जिस दिन मैंने खुद को ये चीज बोली थी, आई स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट डाउन. सिंस दैट आज का दिन है, आई हैव नॉट गॉटन अ सिंगल पैनिक अटैक. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो जाता है, दैट्स व्हाट यू कॉल एंजाइटी ऑफ कोर्स, बट द हार्श पैनिक अटैक्स, आई स्टॉप्ड गेटिंग देम and I have never faced them again. I'm so happy that I did that thing. So my advice to you through this whole video is, there are gonna be things like this, there are gonna be betrayals. We live in a world where positive and negative both exist. So you cannot change anything, but you can control what's happening around you. You can control what people you try to choose to live with. You can control your emotions. You can control what you say out of your mouth. तो ये चीजें हैं जो प्रैक्टिस करोगे एंड ऑब्जर्व करोगे, You will learn. That's it. And I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you like this one. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. And really, really thank you for the people who are supporting me again.